Hey everybody, Jimmy here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm talking about Twilio. I'm really excited about it. It has earnings coming tomorrow after the market close. So I'm gonna be watching that closely to see how they report earnings per share, and I might consider taking a long position on that and writing a covered call. But we also have to remember that the Fed is going to announce whether or not they're going to have a rate cut. This is going to happen tomorrow, and we don't know if it's going to be a no cut, if it's going to be 1/4%, or if it's going to be 0.5%. So we're going to keep a close eye on that. If the stars align, everything's perfect, Twilio looks like a great buy, and I'm going to tell you why. All right, we're looking at Twilio's daily chart, and I just want to show you this simple breakdown. The reason why I like Twilio moving into tomorrow's earnings and the Fed rate cut news. Twilio has a history of just moving up. Every time it comes back down to this red line, which is the 50 simple moving average, it then reverses and continues up higher. So it's, with an exception of our little hang up back in December, when we had some rough times and the market was really pushing down. Aside from that sort of mess that happened then, Twilio has been really good at getting to the 50 simple moving average and then moving higher. Getting to the simple moving average, moving higher. And every time it touches that 50, it just moves higher. It had a higher rate of growth right here, and then it sort of started to flatten out, and now it has flattened out. It's touched this 151 level multiple times, and what I'm thinking may happen tomorrow, and this is what I'm looking to possibly do, is I want to see the Fed come out, provide the rate cut, which I think at this point is expected, so it'll provide some comfort and security for people to buy stocks and move them forward. So we'll get that stimulus coming in, and then after the market closes, I'm wanting Twilio to see good earnings per share. I want them to beat their estimates to give it more of a catalyst, and I think it could send Twilio up above this 151 level, and if it does, I think it's going to leg much higher, and I think that this level is going to turn into a support level. Right now it's been a resistance. It's been tapped 3 times, and it's been overhead resistance. But with enough stimulus that could happen tomorrow, remember, if our stars align and we get a good stimulus, we might push beyond that level and then retest it and go higher. So I like Twilio because it's back down at the 50 simple moving average, and it's going to have big opportunity tomorrow with the Fed rate cut as well as earnings. So let's watch all of those things and see what happens and see if we can get Twilio up and over this 151 level and moving higher. So I hope you guys like this video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. If you like the video, give me that thumbs up and leave your comments below about what you're trading and what you're watching going into tomorrow in terms of earnings, and how are you factoring in the Fed rate cut. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll check in again tomorrow.